Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to download Bitcoin.com application on your iOS device. Downloading Bitcoin.com on iOS is a super easy process. First of all, open up your App Store from your mobile device. Now, go ahead and get to the search box at the top and type in Bitcoin.com and search. Look for this application that is from Bitcoin.com that says Bitcoin.com buy BTC, BCH, and ETH. Tap on the Get button or the Download button to start downloading the app on your iOS device, and it'll only take a few minutes so that your app is installed. After the percentage is completed for your download, you will then be able to open up the Bitcoin.com app on your iOS device. So if you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.